Goddess Panthoibi created Manipur for the happiness of our ancient tribes. I am everywhere. I am the endlessness of life. Here, I sit at the loom, weaving the destiny of Manipur. I weave and I dance in the endlessness of time.
Laina thaba mapumni,
Laina thaba mapumni,
Laina thaba